Today I worked on getting the fans on the radiator, finished up getting it mounted. I had a couple little leaks. I'm working on the thermostat housings right now. I gotta go get some hoses from town. But as you can see, I've got the fans mounted. Did put a key switch here on the frame. This is just temporary, so we can start it and run it. I'm tired of having to touch wires. Do have a temp gauge, got a oil pressure gauge. If you come in here, you can see I have the derail fan controller. I went with the probe control just because I like the fans to run when the radiator gets warm instead of it just cycling with the thermostats all the time. So that actually has two options. On fan 1, you can set, like if I want to set fan 1 to come on at 180 or 185, the bottom set of fans will come on 10 degrees hotter. And this is a downflow 4-core. So the top 2 are the first fan relay, the bottom 2 are the second fan relay. That'll come on 10 degrees hotter. Got all that mounted in. I got the stuff hard piped today. If you come in here, you can look. Had built a bracket for that. Went with all hard piping for the most part, elbows and 90s. I've got a filter on there. It may cause a little bit of restriction on the water, but for right now, with the block sitting as long as it was, I want to catch everything. I don't want to get back in my radiator. So hopefully today I'll get this thermostat housing fixed and get it fired up, and then see what leaks, right? Warm it up, and we'll see what leaks and what we need to fix. That's kind of where I'm at right now. I'll get the hoses and I'll do an upload video whenever I can.